believe I've been reaching for something.
Good day everyone, and today we are here in Ayala the 30th. Kasi yung band ng anak ko, The Redleys, magko-concert dito. So parent support, andito kami ng dad niya. Ito yung stage, hindi pa sila nagsa-start. And medyo may tao na. Medyo may mga fans na sila dito. Konti pa lang, but later pag malapit na to nag-start, madami-dami na ring tao. So pumunta kami sa stay room nila, yung holding room nila, nandoon sila sa baba. So dito kami sa taas na. And before starting, may nagtitest na ng mga gitara, ng drums at ng bass guitar nila. So meron na ding marami-rami na ring tao. Dito lang kami sa tapat kasi may coffee shop. So while waiting, umupo na rin kami. Medyo maliit lang na mall ito, pero hindi masyadong maraming tao. This is the coffee shop. Ang sarap ng coffee at ng crepe ba yun? Mango crepe. So ito yung cappuccino. Ang ganda ng mug. Yan. Ito lang yung order namin guys at saka yung mango crepe hanggang matapos na ang concert nila. And this is the mango crepe. Sa loob niyan may mga mangga at may ice cream, mango flavored.
Stinky sila.
Ang 1 ml ba banana nito? Saka isang
With ice cream?
Pancake, na mangga. Tapos this is cream. So cream. Mango flavor. Ice cream di ay. Ice cream with cream. Mango ice cream. Tapos na ay mangga, daddy.
sound check. Check sound check. Dami nyo. Kumusta kayo? Okay ba kayo? Yes, good? Soundcheck muna kayo. Kami, then we have some love songs prepared for you today. Jordan Canlas. Make some noise for my twin, Jared Nagara. You could also cheer for me. My name is Benny Manitigot. I'm the singer-songwriter. Together, we're the Ridleys. I'll tell you more about our story, but this next song is about... Oh, I'm engaged. This next song is about two people who fall in love in a crowded mall. It's a song called Do You Want to Be Mine?
At mahaba-habang pictorials ng mga fans nila. Mas mahaba pa sa concert nila, pero ang daming fans nila. Thank you guys! And we have their pictures. This is Last Christmas. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mommy Lay.